give you a little bit of insight on what I'm going to be doing today for my anniversary dinner. We're going to be doing seared ribeye with some cheesy scalloped potatoes and a bacon avocado Caesar salad. So I'm going to take these ingredients, my romaine lettuce, my yellow potatoes, avocado, and I'm going to turn it into a 5-star dish. Back in a minute. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to start off with the cheesy scalloped potatoes. So right now we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. And basically what we're going to be doing is, in the culinary world, what they call the bechamel. I'm going to make a roux with this butter, some flour, and then we're going to add in 2 cups of milk. Get the butter nice and melted. Don't want it to burn. Just want it to melt. Got my oven preheating to 350. So that is 2 tablespoons of butter. Turn it down so it won't burn. I'm going to put in 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour. Got my milk here. This is 2 cups of milk. Heat up until it starts to get thick. Then we're going to add a little bit of cheese in there. And we're going to pan up our potatoes. So it's starting to thicken up for me, and I just added in my cheeses. Basically it's a mac and cheese blend that I use. I used about 2 ounces. So I'll be back when I show you how to layer it. Our steak, so we're gonna wait, get our pan nice and hot. Starts evaporating all that water that we got in the pan, and you know it's good to go. Yep, I can see it's starting to boil. So we're gonna get a couple tablespoons of you can use your oil of choice, whether it be peanut oil, olive oil, canola oil. This is just some regular vegetable oil. I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. We're going to sear that off, then we're going to put them in the oven, and then we're going to finish them off butter basted. So I'm just going to sear them real quick, like a minute or so on each side. Turn that down, get my fan on. Now if you look and see the difference, one of them I just did regular salt and pepper, and that one I did kosher salt and fresh ground black pepper. That's what you want to hear when you put it in there. When they have a nice little round of applause. We're going to let those go. Like I said, for about a minute and a half on each side. Then we're going to put them in the oven for about 8 minutes. We'll seal them off on both sides. Then we're going to kind of melt some of that fat as well on the cap. You want to be careful. Don't want to separate the cap when you're going to boil it. Want them nice and brown. Brown food tastes good. So I'm gonna let these go for a little bit longer. You see that's been longer than a minute and a half on each side, but they're not quite as brown as I want them. And as soon as I get to that point, I'm getting them in the oven. I'll show you what the potatoes will be looking like coming up. All right, so I got my steaks out, and what I'm about to start doing is butter basting. I got about a tablespoon of butter in there. I got 2 cloves of garlic I'm about to put in there. And I don't have on me fresh sprig of rosemary and thyme. So what I'm going to do is just use a little bit of Italian seasoning. Get those back up, lean it towards me, and just baste. Turn that off, and I'm gonna let the steaks rest. Got 3 minutes on the potatoes, so now I'm about to go ahead and cut my salad while those are resting, and we should be ready to eat here momentarily. All right, so about to start this pan sauce here. Gonna deglaze the pan. Got about 6 ounces of red wine. Alright, had a little bit of an issue, so I'm not even sure how much we got. But we got the pan sauce ready. Got the potatoes getting ready to come out the oven.